So hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the concept of finding number of zeros at the end of any number. So suppose there is a number 420003. So what will be the number of zeros at the end of this number? So number of zeros will be, because there is no zeros. After 3 there is no zero. So the number of zeros is 0. Suppose there is a number 423000, then number of zeros at the end will be number of zeros at the end will be here we can write the at end. So number of zeros at end will be 3. So there are 3 zeros. Okay. So similarly, a question is asked that find the number of zeros at the end of 25 factorial. And how we will find? So to find the number of zeros in 25 factorial, we need to find number of 2's and number of 5 in 25 factorial. Why we need to find 2's and 5's? Because 5 is when multiplied with 2 gives 10. That means to form a 0, we need one 5 and one 2. Now coming to the 25 factorial. So how to find the number of 2's in 25 factorial? So to find number of 2 in 25 factorial, we need to divide 25 by 2, then we need to plus 25 by 2 square plus 25 by 2 cube plus 25 by 2 to the power 4 plus 25 by 2 to the power 5. Now if we solve this over here, if we divide 25 by 2, we will get a quotient of 12 plus, here if we divide 25 by 2 square, we get a quotient of 6, again plus, if we divide 25 by 8, we get a quotient of 3, and if we divide 25 by 16, we get a quotient of 1. But when we divide 25 by 32, we get a quotient of 0. So we have to stop when we get the quotient as 0, or when the denominator is greater than numerator, we have to stop there. Okay. Now when we add this, we get the number of 2's in 25 factorial. So on adding we will get 3 plus 1 4, 10 and 22. So there are 22 2's in 25 factorial. Now coming to number of 5's, to find number of 5 in 25 factorial, we use the same formula, 25 by 5 plus 25 by 5 square. We have to stop here. Now here we will stop, we have to not include this. Okay. So 5 by 5 is 5 and 25 by 5 square is 1. The total number of 5's in 25 factorial is 6. So now we can see that number of 5 is less than number of 2, right? 6. Number of 5's is 6 and number of 2 is 22, but it is less, number of 5's is less. So how many tens can be formed here? So number of tens will be equal to number of 5, because to form 10 we need 5 and 2 both the numbers. So the lesser one is 5, so number of tens is equal to number of 5, which will be equal to 6. Therefore at the end of 25 factorial, number of zeros will be equal to number of tens in 25 factorial. Number of tens in 25 factorial, which is equal to number of fives in 25 factorial, and which is equal to 6, right? So at the end of 25 factorial, number of zeros will be 6. Now let us take an example. Suppose the question is to find number of zeros at the end of 150 factorial. So we only need to find number of 5 in 150 factorial, which is equal to 150 by 5 plus 150 by 5 square plus 150 by 5 cube plus 155 by 5 to the power 4. Okay, so this 5 to the power 4 will be greater than 150, so this will be discarded. Now we will calculate. So this is 30, and here if we calculate, so this will be 6, and here if we calculate, so this will be 1. Now if we will add these three numbers, 36, so we will get 37. So number of zeros at the end of 150 factorial will be 37. So thank you for today's class. Good night.